Alright guys, I'm not really one of much to do reviews on stuff, but there's nothing, no reviews wise out there other than just from the manufacturer himself. But I'm doing a video on the Scale Sound Systems speakers. It's almost just like a mini cube inside a 3D printed box, and the way the baffles are inside that box creates a good, deep, throaty voice on the engines. And I'll let you hear by example. First off, we've got a standard Athearn ready to run, but both of them have Tsunami 2 decoders. But this one still has the factory speaker in it. And we'll hear the scale sounds. The horn and the bell are not affected at all. I haven't turned this one down at all. I just put it in. I have turned the volume down on this one just a little bit, and this one's still factory set. The speaker itself was straight drop in, 2 bolts or 2 screws, but I didn't mess with any of the reverbs, no special sound settings. All I did was change the horn and change the prime mover, and I lowered the volume, and that's all I did. And this little thing, but as you can tell, Scale Sound Systems is pretty great right out the box. I'm going to take my 2 cents. Later.